money that I owe you. Yes, you can pay the bills. I will give you more when I get paid again. I hate those people who love to tell you money is the root of all the kills. They have never been poor, they have never had the joy of a welfare Christmas. Yeah. Oh, I know we will never look back. Yeah. You say you wake up crying, yes, and you don't know why. You get up and you go lay down inside my baby's room. Yeah, I guess I'm doing okay. I moved in with the strangest guy. Can you believe he actually thinks that I am really alive? I will buy you a garden where your flowers can bloom. I will buy you a new car, perfect, shiny and new. I will buy you that big house way up in the West Hills. I will buy you a new life. Yes, I will. Yes, I know all about that other guy, the handsome man with athletic thighs. I know all about the time. I know I used to be a bad girl. I got busy in the bathroom at my high school prom. Yeah, I used to be a dancer at the local strip club, but now I know my right wing from my wrong. Yeah, yeah, I really used to be a bad girl. I had a threesome with my sister and her boyfriend Tom. I know I used to be a real wild child, but now I am a driving soccer mom. Driving soccer mom. Really used to be a bad girl. I got busted for possession of my wizard shaped bong. I used to love to do the things they tell me not to do, but now I'm different. Now I sing a new song. I really used to be a bad girl. I got gangbang in the bathroom at my high school prom. Yes, I used to be a real wild child, but now I am a driving soccer mom. Driving soccer mom. Driving soccer mom. Driving soccer mom. Driving soccer mom.
Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time.
And take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. And take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. And time goes by so naturally while you receive infinity.
Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity.
It's another.
You say pipette.
Yes. But it's different. of
Okay.
a pipette. It's
Okay.
just with
Squeeze.
yes.
Not a squeeze, but yeah.
Attends, cherche un difficile.
Favoriser, non.
J'arrête de
Homogenèse.
rigoler.
Homogenees.
Ouais, bah ouais, c'est ça.
Homogenesie.
Homogeneux.
Homogene. Easy.
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 Oh, good. Funny.
Alors,